JavaScript! So what's up everybody, and in this video I'm gonna try to learn JavaScript from YouTube tutorials.
No!
Yep.
No!
From YouTube tutorials. If you doesn't like JavaScript like me, so make sure that you subscribe to my channel. I find this kind of tutorial from Keep Coding, where they make a Google Chrome dinosaur using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So why not? We can make games simultaneously learning JavaScript. So let's get started step by step making magic. Good point there is what he made a repository from GitHub where you can download source code, which we don't need actually. Why we need source code? And we can download pictures. It's most important part. You can download pictures from tutorial, because actually where I am making everything from tutorials, I downloaded everything from Google. So this is worth my respect to Keep Coding. I like it, how it looks. Most important part comes here. We starting writing JavaScript code. It looks nice. So let's see how does it work. Whoa! My code works from the first time. I don't believe in that. Yeah, I like it. Nice. Why he's not jumping? Yes! Every game need his over, so make game over. So that is what we have at the end of the project, and I don't have any kind of idea apart from that what there is pretty cool. That is utterly cool working. That situation when your code is working, it's incredible. I have never written code in JavaScript, so my first experience it was unstoppable. I don't know, any kind of keep coding, it's god of coding. Thanks guys for watching this video, and if you are a subscriber to Keep Coding, so make sure that you subscribe to my channel too and watch my previous videos about review of Bedim code and online tutorials. Thanks guys for watching. Bye bye.